Speaking challenges among English club members at one Islamic boarding school in South Sumatra. This present study aimed at investigating speaking challenges encountered by students participating in an English club at Darul Abrar Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, South Sumatra, Indonesia. This study employed qualitative research method utilizing a case study approach. Data were collected through observation and interview. The participants included 6 students who had joined the English club. The data were analyzed using thematic English within the club include a lack of vocabulary, reliance on their mother tongue, insufficient self-confidence, and low motivation. Recognizing the challenges students face in their speaking practice at the English club important for developing effective solutions to create a more supportive environment. Introduction. Speaking is one of the important skills in learning English. Brown 21 mentioned that the process of generation, meaning talk speaking, entails both producing and receiving as well as digesting information. Therefore, it would be nice to create a comfortable and conducive environment as a goal to help students practice speaking well. So, if the learning environment can encourage students to improve learning speaking skill, the student can easily master speaking quickly. This can be the reason why a teacher must create a good learning atmosphere, such as by holding activities so that they can be a support for students in improving their speaking skill in the form of extracurricular activities at school. Extracurricular activities are activities role for students. Lunenburg and Ornstein 28 state that extracurricular activities involve students engaging in teaching and learning activities outside of the classroom. Based on Larson 26, the primary purpose of extracurricular activities is to accommodate or give students a place to explore their interests and talents. With extracurricular, it is expected that students can develop their potential, especially the ability to speak English properly and correctly. Learning to speak English as a foreign language presents a multitude of challenges for students worldwide, and Indonesian learners are no exception. Many Indonesian learners are expensive about making mistakes while speaking English due to their limited vocabulary, which lead to challenges in developing their speaking skill. Al-Hosni 2014, Lestari 2019, Tumbagol and Mazali 2020, Soliki 2021. The findings alleged with Brown 21 assertion that one of the most significant obstacles students face in learning to convey is the anxiety associated with the potential and inadvertently saying something incorrect, false, or incomprehensible. In her study, Swery 2014 found that numerous students encounter difficulty with speaking fluency. Factors such as low vocabulary master, a limited understanding of grammar and pronunciation, insufficient practice, shyness, anxiety, fear of making mistakes, lack of confidence, low motivation, mistake opportunities, and environment influence all contribute to students' struggle in acquiring English speaking skill. Most Indonesian learners are afraid of making mistakes where they are speaking in English because they lack vocabulary, which lead them to have problem learning to speak. Al-Hosani 2014, Lestari 2019, Lumbang Ngawal and Mazali 2020, Saliki 2021. For student learning to talk is the anxiety they experience when faced with the possibility of blurting out something incorrect, dumb, or incomprehensible. In her study, Survey 2014 discovered that many students struggle with speaking fluency, low vocabulary master, limited grasp of grammar and pronunciation, limited practice, sadness, anxiety, fear of making mistakes, lack of confidence, low motivation, limited chance, and the surroundings contribute to learning difficult to speak English. The English Club mission is to provide a platform for students to advance their professionally in the language, particularly speaking. Hadley 21 articulated that the goals of the English Club are to promote club membership, provide students with opportunities to hone their speaking abilities, ensure the club's sustainable existence, and enhance the shared responsibility for events between student and administration. Students will have the opportunities to travel, immerse themselves in different cultures, and acquire the skills necessary for effective communication in both formal and informal contexts using English. Additionally, students can practice speaking in a fun environment, can receive encouragement from their peers to enhance their English language skill. Furthermore, it is crucial for students in Islamic boarding school to learn English to facilitate fluent speaking, particularly regarding the proper pronunciation, intonation, and vocabulary for effective communication in a globalized world. The research identified multiple Islamic boarding schools in Banyuasin, South Sumatra. However, only Darul Abrar offered English language club activities. Interview conducted at Darul Abrar, particularly with the English club teacher, revealed that all students are required to participate in the program, which has been one of the extracurricular activities at Darul Abrar since its establishment in 2017. At Darul Abrar, a student must use Arabic and English during their daily conversation. Nevertheless, many students continue to find it challenging to speak English fluently. They often experience anxiety about making mistakes and frequently mispronounced words. This lack of confidence hinders their ability to express their thoughts and beliefs. Additionally, they worry about making errors throughout their learning process. An English club can serve as a supportive environment for students who are interested in learning to speak English, helping them to improve the skill and develop their potential, essentially in speaking. Their English teacher in Darul Abrar claimed that students really need media to support their speaking skill. Students can focus on improving their speaking skill because the media are required to practice speaking impaired to practice their speaking skill. An extracurricular English club is established at this school to assist students in enhancing their English language skill to ensure the success of program. Teacher and student collaborate effectively. Personal communication with a teacher with until the March 5, 2023. Thus finding allies with a student conducted by Malvisa et al. 2017, which relevant that the most crucial conclusion in the study believe English groups are highly beneficial in encouraging them to practice speaking. Students are more motivated to practice speaking when the classroom environment is relaxed and enjoyable. Furthermore, research conducted by Hijra and Umar 2021 indicate the most students view joining an English club as a positive endeavor. Students believe that English club can aid them in achieving fluency in the language. Additional, English club meetings are perceived by students as a valuable means of improving their speaking skill in particular. For individuals who require additional practice and interaction to enhance their English language professionally, English club can provide significant support to them to speak the language more fluently. At last, research conducted by Wahyunianti Maulidia and Kolbia 2020 reported that the majority of students who took part in the speaking club experience good program in their English speaking skill, including series and vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. Research hopes that his research can be a part of a solution to problem in student speaking process as English becomes increasingly vital in global communication. Engaging speaking skill in a supportive environment like an English club is crucial. However, several challenges inhibit effective speaking practice among students, necessitating a talk exploring of these barriers. Therefore, this research aims to investigate student challenges in practicing their speaking skill in the English club at Darul Abrar Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, South Sumatra. Methodology subject according to Creswell 2013. Post sampling allows for the selection of the participant of the place to grade the price information from the participant understanding that is relevant to the research topic of the study. In particular, sampling strategies with maximal variation were used. Based on Creswell 2012, maximum variation sampling is a deliberate sampling technique in which research chose a sample of cases or personnel that differ in a certain attribute. Participants in this study were selected using a purposeful sampling technique. There were 20 student members of Darul Abrar English Language Club. 6 students were selected based on the time they have spent in the club. They are joining for more than a year, 1 year, and less than a year. From this criteria, the population of 20 decreased into a sample of 6 students. Findings and discussion. Findings. The research finding of this study presented the student challenges in applying English club speaking practice at Darul Abrar Banyuasin. These findings or data were gathered from observation and an interview. During the observation, English club activities were carried out of observation for 2 days. The research made observation in the classroom. In the case, the research played the role of a non-participant. Interview with students were conducted the day after the last day of observation. The findings data from interview with 6 students whose essential are A for student, K second student, R third student, C fourth student, Z fifth student, and H sixth student. The data for this study was obtained through observation and interview. Thematic analysis was used to analyze data collected from observation and interview. Lack of vocabulary. The result of observation showed the research found student challenges in speaking English in English club, such as a student having difficulty speaking in English club. They were afraid of making mistakes and being scolded by the teacher. Student structure when speaking in English clubs due to the lack of memorized vocabulary. Students had difficulty using foreign language, making it difficult for, for them to speak English properly in English club. In subsequent observation, the research found students experience difficulty speaking in English club. This is indicated by the student lack of vocabulary. Students stop when they didn't know which word that they going to say. Student experience of lack for understanding when using a foreign language, which made it difficult for them to speak English in English club. Students paused for a moment before they answered their friend's question. Apart from that, research found students were hesitant and afraid of making mistakes when speaking in front of their friend because of their lack of vocabulary. The student experienced difficulty when conveying word to their friend or could not speak freely due to limited vocabulary. The use of mother tongue. The result of observation showed the research found student challenges in speaking English in English club, such as students using their mother tongue as they use Indonesian. They secretly use Japanese when talking to their friends. Students had used their mother tongue when speaking in the English club. This could be seen by students who use Japanese when speaking with their friend. Observation February 17, 2024. Students often spoke their native language when the teacher was not in class. The student quietly spoken Indonesian in the English language club. Researchers also found in subsequent observation that the students used their mother tongue because it was easier to use. They use Indonesian when talking club. The student maintained that a lack of knowledge of English made them speak in their mother tongue. Student initial age said, because my lack of knowledge about English and the small amount of vocabulary that I memorize is the reason I am more comfortable using Indonesian. Personal communication February 2024. Student initial K also revealed that yes, I does. My knowledge of English is very poor. I prefer to use Indonesian to speak. Personal communication February 2024. Then student initial Z added because I lack vocabulary in English and my knowledge of English is lacking. In short, lack of knowledge of English is one of the reasons why some students use their mother tongue. Lack of self-confidence. The result of observation showed the result found student challenges in speaking English in English club, namely a lack of self-confidence, such as students feeling less confident when speaking in front of friends and teachers. Students were afraid of making mistakes and hesitant about speaking English. Students were not confident speaking in public. This was evident when students spoke in front of friends. They struggled when pronouncing words. Students who lack knowledge of English were evidenced by their lack of belief when speaking because they were afraid that their friend would not understand what they were saying. Lack of motivation. Based on the findings of the observation, the research found students challenged speaking English in English club, namely a lack of motivation. In the situations, students were less interested in taking part in English club activities, which made them feel bored and lazy about studying. Students did not have motivation in the English club, as evidenced by students sleeping when their teacher explaining the material. Students lacked the motivation to learn to speak in English club. This was shown by students who were too lazy to go to class and deliberately came in late when the material had started. Students experienced reluctance in English club due to a lack of motivation. The result of the interview show a majority of students start that their reluctance to speak in English could have been impacted by a lack of motivation. Student initially said, "Yes, it does. I think there it is if there is no motivation to speak, I do not want to speak English because motivation is one of the things that support me and try to learn." Student with anxiety mentioned that something I feel lazy to talk when I bored in the English club. Also, student in initial age, I said that I think motivation is essential. So if there is no motivation, it will certainly affect the desire to speak English. Then student with initial A had a similar point with his. In summary, their motivation in communication in English influenced their reluctance. Speaking challenges faced by student participants in the English Club. The first challenges was a lack of vocabulary. Based on the result of the interview data, the student claimed that it was difficult to express what they want to convey or that they could not speak fluently because of their limited vocabulary. The students state that when they were unsure of the vocabulary to use, they would either combine English and Indonesian or stop talking for a while to think of the right word or expression. The last student challenges in speaking English was lack of motivation. The majority of students said that a lack of motivation might be the reason behind their reluctance to speak in English. The students report feeling driven to communicate in English, and one of the things that contribute to this was a lack of encouragement. Because they are not encouraged to speak the target language, students are not interested in speaking English. Report that students who experience low instructor motivation experience low level of confidence when learning English. It can be concluded that students reluctance to speak English in English club is influenced by their motivation. Finally, motivation was a significant factor in shaping student goals to become proficient English speaking in English club, which become their speaking challenge. Conclusion: based on the result of the study, it can be concluded that there were four speaking challenge faced by students at Darul Abrar English Club. First, lack of vocabulary was the challenge the students faced in speaking English because it was difficult to express what they want to convey or they could not speak fluently. Second, mother tongue use as they found their mother tongue to be more comfortable and easier to use in speaking. Third, the student faced a lack of self-confidence because the student mentioned that they did not feel confident when they had to speak in front of other students and teachers because they could not speak English well. Last but not least, lack of motivation with the student challenge in practicing their speaking skill because they were not so interested in learning English.